In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to debloat Windows to remove Copilot telemetry. We're going to walk through a safe and methodical process to reduce unwanted tracking and background activity tied to Copilot and related services, without breaking your everyday Windows experience. Before you start, I highly recommend creating a system restore point or a full backup. That way, if anything doesn't behave as expected, you can roll your system back easily. First, make sure Windows is fully updated. Open your settings, go to Windows Update, and install any pending updates. A fully updated system helps ensure all the tools and policies we apply work correctly with your current version of Windows. Next, we'll focus on Copilot itself. Open Settings, then go to Personalization, and look for the taskbar settings. Here, locate the Copilot option and turn it off so it no longer appears on your taskbar or launches accidentally. This doesn't remove every trace of Copilot, but it stops most visible interactions. Now, let's reduce the amount of data Copilot and other Microsoft services can send. In Settings, go to Privacy and Security. Under Diagnostics and Feedback, change the setting to send only the minimum required data, if that option is available for your edition. Turn off features like tailored experiences and any optional diagnostic data. While you're in Privacy and Security, review permissions for speech, inking and typing, and personalized ads, and disable anything you don't actually use. For deeper debloating, we'll remove unnecessary pre-installed apps that integrate with telemetry. Open the Start menu, search for Installed Apps or Apps and Features, and carefully uninstall apps you don't use, especially Microsoft promotional apps or trials. Take your time here. If you're unsure about an app, leave it installed rather than risk removing something important. If you're comfortable using PowerShell, you can further debloat the system. Right-click on the Start button, open Windows PowerShell or Terminal as administrator, and use well-known, reputable debloating scripts from trusted community sources. Always read through the script before running it, and avoid anything that looks overly aggressive or unclear. The goal is to disable telemetry components and background tasks related to Copilot and other data collection, not to break core Windows features. After making these changes, restart your computer. Once it's back up, take a moment to verify that Copilot is no longer on your taskbar, that background activity feels lighter, and that your usual apps still work as expected. By following these steps carefully, you'll have a leaner Windows setup with Copilot telemetry significantly reduced, while keeping your system stable and usable for everyday work.